Yes.
James, what is this? This is a Kyosho.
It is.
Isn't it?
I don't know if you remember, this is from a couple of years ago. I got it off of a guy on eBay with some old brushed fans in it, and yeah, revamped it, put some brushless fans in it, and it flew really nicely. I flew it down at the club at Fleet, but the patch was a bit small to land it on. Well, for my flying skills it was.
Postage stamp, yeah.
So it's a beautiful day today. I was just looked in the hangar. You can see literally there's a layer of dust on the top of it. Thought I'd
Dig it out again.
Dig it out, stick a new receiver in it, and yeah, just been setting it up. It all looks good to go. Just need to do a couple of final checks, and then let's crack on.
All right, come on then. Come on, get it in the
air. Can you stop recording for a second?
Why?
I've just noticed it's the rudder's reversed. I just need to.
I was expecting that.
Yeah. Not surprising.
How embarrassing.
Everything else is cool. Oh no, it's not. No, we're good, you know.
Oh, it is all right.
I doubt myself.
Check.
See?
Properly. So is it running on 4S or?
Yeah, 4S. 4S 5000 pack in it.
Right.
But it's the only one I've got down here, and I've used up a bit of it, just getting failsafe working and stuff, and range checking it.
Oh, that won't take anything, as long as you weren't running the motors for long.
Yeah, all good. And then flaps, gear, we're good to go. Doesn't need much power to fly actually, super light. They made some nice models back in the day.
Gear up?
Yeah, it should be up. Is it still down?
One's down. I think one of the mains is down.
Cycling. How's that?
Hard to say. You're a bit. Looks.
It's trimming out.
So
a bit all over the place before I trim it. A bit better.
I think you still got one main down, but no.
Let's see. We cool? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, carry on.
No, it's alright. There is one down, isn't there?
Yep, there is. Better down than up and not coming down, but
those fans don't sound very nicely balanced.
No, they don't.
That's a cheap 30 quid
They're
70
only
mil fan.
The rotor is lightly rubbing against the shroud of the fan.
I tried cycling it again, hopefully that'll be okay.
No.
No?
I'll just leave it.
Yeah. I'll leave fly around with the gear down, probably safer. Right, I can't do some low passes. Wow, really flies on hardly anything.
I don't remember it flying that well. That's pretty good.
Flies nice and slow. One wheel would really
irritating,
the
isn't
effect,
it?
Doesn't it?
It does.
Beautiful light. I'll do one more.
from left to right, I reckon.
Do you reckon?
Yep, that's...
Okay. Downhill.
Yeah, it's where the wind was earlier. It won't make any difference uphill, downhill.
It won't, it's just...
It's easier to judge. You're closer to the left. So
I always, this throws me for some reason.
Yeah,
That top of that brow of the hill.
you're a bit high, anyway.
Yeah, that's cool. Nicely does it.
Nice. Wow, one of your better landings, mate. Oh.
Yeah, unfortunately, the gears had seen better days.
I think you trapped in a hole there. Oh no, you're good.
It's a little bumpy, look at that.
Very bumpy.
I think the pilot's had a few gin and tonics.
Anyway, down in one piece.
Thanks.
All right, cheers,
Cheers,
James.
One.
Nice. Wow, one of your better landings, mate.